In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automation in Wrike, a powerful tool to streamline your project management tasks. Automation can save you time and ensure that the routine aspects of managing tasks are handled efficiently, so you can focus on more critical and creative elements of your projects. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wrike account. Once you've entered your credentials and successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of all your tasks, projects, and any important updates. It's the heart of your Wrike workspace. Now, to begin setting up automation, you need to navigate to the upper right corner of your screen where your profile image is located. Click on this image to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to personal settings, account details, and other customization options. It's also your gateway to more advanced features such as automation, and that's where we'll head next. In the drop-down menu, find and select the Settings option. This will guide you to the configuration page where you can adjust various aspects of Wrike to match your workflow preferences. Here, you have the ability to manage app integrations, set notifications, and of course, configure automation rules that we are focusing on today. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on the Automation section. This segment is dedicated to helping you set up rules that automate repetitive tasks, ensuring consistency and efficiency in your workflow. Automation can handle scheduling, reminders, task assignments, and more, freeing up your time for higher order thinking and decision making. Now you're ready to create your first automation rule. To do this, click on the Create Rule button. A new window will appear, providing you with several templates and options to choose from. Each rule begins with a trigger. This could be anything from a due date being reached to a task being marked as complete. Then you define the action, what you want Wrike to do automatically when the trigger occurs. For example, you might set a rule to automatically assign a task to a team member when its start date arrives. As you compose your rule, take note of the additional parameters and conditions you can apply. These features allow you to tailor each rule to suit a variety of scenarios, making your automation not only powerful but also highly adaptable to your unique workflow needs. Once you've configured the rule to your satisfaction, don't forget to save it. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct and functions as intended. And that's it. You've successfully set up automation in Wrike. With these steps completed, your new automation rules will take over recurring tasks, helping you and your team to work smarter, not harder. Thank you for following along, and happy automating.